Magene MG70 Smart Spin Bike Unpacking and Installation. Installation. In the package of Magene MG70 Spin Bike, there are one bike, two floor pipes, one phone and tablet tray, one handle cover, one power adapter, one L wrench, two pedals, three small bolts M8x25, four large bolts M10x45, one wrench 13-15 millimeters. Install front and rear floor pipes. Use wrench 13-15 millimeters to tighten the front and rear floor pipes to the bike. In case of an uneven floor, rotate and adjust the four legs until the assembly is stable. Install the handle. Use wrench 13-15 millimeters to tighten the handle to the bike and then the handle cover. Install the phone and tablet tray. Install the tray on the front of the handle. Use L wrench to tighten crosshead screws on both sides. Install pedals. Use wrench 13-15 millimeters to tighten the left and right pedals in the rotation direction. Adjust handle and seat height. Unscrew the knob and pull it outward with one hand. Hold the stem or lift up or press down the stem with the other hand to the proper place. Release the knob. Pull the stem up and down gently to reset the spring automatically. The knob clicks into the hold on the stem. And rotate the knob to its fullest extent. We advise you to install the seat one fist below your waist and adjust the handle according to your personal habits. Activation. You have to activate the bike before use for the first time. Download the latest Onelap app at the App Store. Register an account and log in as prompted. Tap the upper right corner of the screen to enter the spinning bike screen. You may select the device to be connected. After your bike is found, select and connect the device. After activation as prompted on the screen, subscribe to us. After subscription, return to the home screen and select your favorite course to start the workout.